Namaste and welcome to today's meditation. Close your eyes if that feels safe. If not, let your gaze soften downward. You don't need to fix anything right now. You don't need to understand anything. You have done all the work already. You have sat in the darkness. You have welcomed what most people tend to run away from, the icky feelings. And still, there is something, a hum, a discomfort beneath the surface that persists. It persists even after all the therapy and all the insights and processing. What is this? Today's meditation is not about going deeper into that suffering. Rather, we're simply learning to sit with the physical body and listen to the nervous system until it's ready to release, ready to soften, find sukha, and let go of constriction. What you're feeling, this discomfort, is not a sign that you have failed. It's the unprocessed residue of a freeze response held from a long time ago in your tissues and in your fascia and in the nervous system itself. It's energy that got trapped when life was too much or too fast or too scary, and your beautiful, protective body simply froze. And it's been waiting for the right moment to release and unclench, the right moment to find safety and permission. And that moment is right now. Observe your breath, just a natural one. Notice that it doesn't have to be perfect or performative. Your body knows how to release. It's just that you've never been shown that release doesn't look like more softening or more surrendering. Sometimes release might look like yawning, trembling, sudden tears with no stories attached, like heart rising, like a wave that moves through, and then there is spaciousness. Today, we're going to give your nervous system the permission to complete what it started a long time ago. Bring your awareness to all points of contact against the ground. Feel gravity holding you, Mother Earth supporting you. You are safe enough right now to start melting away what was frozen in time and in fear. Feel your breath in the belly. Let your shoulders soften. Feel yourself breathing. Let the silence breathe you. You don't have to make anything happen. Your system will do what it needs to do. The intelligence of your body knows when to release. So, without forcing anything, let yourself become aware of the silence, that subtle vibration, that hum, the tender, untouchable thing. Ask your body, what do you want to move? What do you want to melt? What do you want to release? Maybe it's a subtle shake in your hands. Maybe your jaw wants to unclench. Your shoulder wants to rise and fall. Maybe there's a sound in your throat, tears. Or maybe nothing yet. And that is perfectly fine too. Allow the body to show it to you and trust that your body knows. Simply stay with whatever arises for a few breaths. Let the energy move without a story, without meaning, just sensation and then release. To end the practice, let's do a gentle tapping sequence, starting at the karate chop point, the soft outer edge of your hand, and then at the eyebrows, temples, under your eyes, above the upper lip, the jaw, collarbone, side of your ribs, and ending with the top of the head. As you do the gentle tapping, repeat the affirmations. Even though something is still frozen in my body, I accept myself. I honor this layer of protection. I thank my body for protecting me. My body knows how to let go. I am safe. I'm safe enough to soften. The energy is moving through me. I'm ready to release. What was once frozen is now starting to thaw. I am allowing. I am integrating. I am here. I am whole. And I am free. Get into a nice deep stretch. Get into a nice pandiculation and release. Thank you.